Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your accounts in the Pinterest app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our pins and suggestions. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then under the login section we find add account. We tap on that, and then under manage account tap on this, and here we can manage a few of the settings that is linked to the account. For example, the personal information, the email address, the password, converting to business account, and the app theme, and everything else. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.